came here with my mom. Even though the session is about parenting, I found it very useful as the oldest child to implement this with my younger siblings and my little sister, she's 4, and also like with my friends and families because I'm the oldest grandchild, so I found this workshop very helpful, especially in terms of behavior. And because we're the first generation immigrants, we don't really have experience with being Muslims in a country that's not Muslim. So I think this was really an eye-opener. It was really good, and I would definitely recommend it to immigrants and maybe even Muslims who are born here. I think it will be really good.